Hi dear customer, this is Vincy from QLQ company. There are many different accessories on the bed. So today I'd like to show you our D buckle and O buckle. D buckle is made of metal. See, there are some different colors and styles. And another one, O buckle, is also made of metal. It's mainly divided into two different styles. This one you can see there is a seam. It's made by machine bending. And another one you can see there's no seam here. It's made by die casting machine. This one is a bit more expensive than that one because it looks more upscale and beautiful. When we pack and ship, we usually use this paper to prevent scratching the products. These above accessories are usually used in the bags accessories like lady bags. We also accept customized samples. If you are interested in our products, you are welcome to contact us.